Why schools may close during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's take a closer look. School A has no students or teachers who have tested positive for coronavirus. Thankfully, they're all healthy. School A has 400 students and 30 classroom teachers. 200 students are virtual learners and 9 teachers are dedicated virtual teachers, which leaves 21 classroom teachers to cover the remaining 200 face-to-face students. Last week, 4 face-to-face teachers were required to quarantine for 14 days. Yesterday, 2 additional teachers were scheduled to quarantine for 14 days. Tomorrow, 2 teachers have personal leave time scheduled to support regular medical care for family members. If just one more teacher tests positive or is required to quarantine, there would be 12 teachers to cover the 200 face-to-face students. 3 of those teachers teach subjects like PE, music, or art, which means there are only 9 teachers to cover the 200 face-to-face students. That's just not safe for our students or staff. Instead of combining classes, the school system will transition the school to face-to-face, learn from home for a week or enough time to cover the greatest number of quarantine teacher absences. Now let's look at School B. School B has 600 students. 400 students are attending face-to-face and 200 students are virtual learners. The school has 45 teachers, 30 face-to-face teachers, and 15 virtual teachers. At this school, 4 students have tested positive. After contact tracing, 150 students are required to quarantine and 5 face-to-face teachers are required to quarantine, leaving 25 teachers to cover the remaining 250 students. The school can remain open. Parents, our school system will always consider the health and safety of our students and follow the guidance of the Georgia Department of Public Health when making decisions about school closures.